can't even explain it. Right, let's just get into the cinematics. 3, 2, 1.
You can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
What is good, everyone? It is your boy DSG Panther. Today we are going to be installing some eye-back springs and also putting my rear back box back on the Polo GTI. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so here we have the eye-back springs that are going to be going on the Polo today. They are the 6R. I will leave the link in the description. You guys can get these springs. This is the springs that are going on the Polo today. So hopefully it's going to drop it a lot more because this car is looking stupid with the arch gap. But yeah, let's get to tire point. Make sure you follow them here. That is where we get all our stuff done. But yeah, let's get into it. Also, as I said before, the back box is also going back on. So no more straight pipe, but we're also going to have the res delete, so it'll be fun. But yeah, let's head away to tire point and get this all done. Okay, let's go. I'm now at home. I've dropped the car off. There was nothing to film. Don't worry. We are now going to go and pick it back up later tonight. Hopefully everything goes to plan. Obviously I'm putting the back box back on, I'm putting the eye back springs on, and I'm also getting the alignment. So
5 minutes later.
Hello?
Is that Ben?
Yeah.
Ben, it's Carl at Tire Point. Doing your job, no trouble at all. In the spring kit, there's 2 spacers that go on, 4 spacers, sorry, that go on the rack.
Yeah.
No instructions in there. Now, do you want them fitted? We Googled it. Some people don't fit them, but it's to stop the wheels rubbing on lock, but that's going to take about an extra hour if you want them put on.
Would you say it's an advisory thing to do, like in your opinion?
What do you say? The trouble is, if we can try it without, then if they rub, you can always book it back in and we'll do it, because it'd be about 75 quid to fit them. So if you want to save that, but try it without.
Yeah, I say we just try it without, and then we can just go from there. So.
All right, I'll leave the rings in your car.
Yeah.
The box with the old springs, then you can always rebook it in there.
All
okay,
right.
No trouble.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye. Alright guys, as you just saw there, we have drop links in them. So I'm assuming it fills the space up. So yeah, that is where we are so far. So they have now started to put the springs on. So hopefully it should be done. If it does rub, it rubs. At the end of the day, it is what it is, isn't it? But yeah. So let's wait for the call back to go and pick it up, and I'll see you guys when we are on a route. Alright guys, we're now on the way to go and pick up the car. It is all done. Let's go see what this bad boy is looking like. Alright guys, I am now home, right? The car is in front of me. Oh no! This looks so sick, right? I'm gonna get into the cinematics and then we can talk about it, but this car is sitting, I can't even explain it. Right, let's just get into the cinematics. 3, 2, 1.
Hope you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
Doesn't it look sick, guys? Honestly, I'm so excited. I'm so impressed by what iBack have done with the springs on this car. I am actually, I'm thrown away. Do you know what? Massive shout out, as I already said, to Tire Point, because they have absolutely smashed it with this car. I cannot show them any more love than I already have. Go and follow Tire Point. They are honestly so helpful with the car. Obviously, I'm still learning with cars. I'm learning with you guys as we go along with the Polo. So there's a lot of things that we still don't know about the car that we are now learning with Tire Point. So honestly, massive shout out to Tire Point, massive shout out to iBack, because these are the best springs I've ever seen. Let's do a little walk around now. Let's go and talk about it and see my personal opinion on it. You guys can see right here, the whip is looking bad, you know. Look at that. That arch gap is perfect. That is what you call an arch gap, don't you think? Like, oh my god. So yeah, honestly guys, I'm so happy with this. I couldn't have asked for a better set of springs. I'd be so real. Everyone told me iBack are the worst, they don't drop it a lot. This has slammed it. In my opinion, this is as low as I would go anyway. So if you guys are looking to get any silk springs, I 110% recommend the iBack springs low line kit. Go cop it. honestly, I'll leave the link in the description. I got it from Diversions. Go and get it. It's the best like lowering spring kit you can get for this Polo. Just honestly, that arch gap does it for me. Like that does it for me. Like, come on, there's literally barely anything there. Honestly, guys, go and get this arch kit, and then with the front splitter, oh, honestly, I've fallen in love with this car all over again. Honestly, everyone, please go and get this. This is insane. Guys, I'm so gassed with it. I can't even speak. I'm so gassed with it. And obviously now we've got the back box back on, so it's not droning. I do like the back box, but it's not as good as I think, in my opinion. I prefer the Res Delete because it's not drony as hell. But yeah, honestly, go and get this. I 110% recommend you guys getting this kit because it is insane. It is transformed the way the car. And once we get the side skirts on, oof, it's game over for you Polos. And we've got even more mods coming that none of you Polos have even done yet. So let's just keep this rolling. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Honestly, most insane video I've done so far. The best mod I've done. Every time I get a new car now, which I don't really want to get a new car because I've fallen in love with this car again. But every time I get a new car, the first thing I'm doing is spacers, and then I'm lowering it. But yeah, massive shout out to Tyre Point, I've already said, follow them here. Massive shout out to iBack, and also I got it from Diversion, so shout out to Diversion as well. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video from DSG Panther. Peace.